How to delete watch history on YouTube. Hey everybody, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily delete a watch history on your YouTube. It's pretty easy, so make sure to follow the steps until the end. First thing you're going to have to do is open up YouTube application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, all you're going to have to do is tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner, and then you can find the gear icon for settings at the top right. Once you head over to the settings menu, scroll down and you'll have an option to manage all history. Just tap on it. Now it will take you to a new page where you can manage all of history, including your search history as well as your watch history. The first thing you can do is just scroll down and find your watch history. So just go ahead and tap on this cross to delete it from your watch history. You can do that again. So the deletion is complete. Tap on got it. So again, you can tap on this cross icon to delete it. Now, if you want to do a custom range or certain date, you can do this and then tap on delete custom range. And if you tap on it, you can select a date range and all of the videos you watch on during that period will be deleted, or you could delete for all time. You could also turn on auto delete after 36 months all the way down to 3 months. So that's how you basically delete your watch history on YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.